everyone, let's talk about something super cool today, how we teach computers to think. Yeah, that's what the machine learning are all about. But to do this, we need to speak their language, programming languages. Let's dive into words that make it all happen. Python. It is also known as the all-rounder. Okay, thus this works like a superhero of programming languages of AI. Why? Why? Because it's simple and gets the job done. For example, let's say you want to teach a computer to recognize the numbers like the digits you write on paper. Python can do that in just few lines of code. For example, imagine this. You scan the form from some handwritten numbers. Python lets you load that image and break it down and say, yeah, that this is a seven, you right? Next, language was R. It is also known as the data specialist. R is like that friend who is amazing at maths and loves making charts. Let's say you have your friend's test scores and you want to see who did the best. R can make it quick and easy bar graph for you. So you type in the scores, and in seconds, R gives you a colorful chart where you can see that who scored the highest among all of you and handy for everyone who loves the numbers. Next one was C++. C++ language is also known as the speed king. Now, let's talk about C++. This one like a sports car, super fast, but takes a little bit of practice to handle. It's used when speed is critical. Think of self-driving cars. When a pedestrian suddenly steps in front of the car, it needs to brake instantly, right? C++ make sure the car reacts in time. Because imagine you are designing the brain of car, you program it to hit the brakes if it sees someone. C++ make it C++ makes the lightning fast because in this case even a tiny delay dangerous. This one was Java and Scala. This is also known as the big system heroes. These are the pros of big and complicated systems like what banks use. Ever had your bank text you, hey, was this transaction made by you like that? That's AI. AI is keeping an eye on the things to catch fraud. These languages help handle the huge amount of data efficiently. For example, imagine a bank with millions of transactions happening every minute. Java and Scala are like the system managers, making sure everything runs smoothly without crashing. Right? Next one was Julia. It is the scientist's sidekick. Like Julia is newer one, but perfect for heavy science stuff. Like say predicting the weather or how disease might spread. Scientists love it because it's super fast and great at handling complex calculations. For examples, you are a scientist trying to predict the Hooke's path. Julia helps you to run the stimulation quickly so that you can warn the people who are nearer but in that location where the Ukraine will affect like that. Then we as of now we saw the all languages which are used for AI. But why? Why Python is so popular? Why Python is the king? Now you probably wonder why is everyone talking about Python? Well, here is why. It's simple. Even if you are brand new to the programming, Python feels almost like writing English. It has everything you need. Want to work with images, text, or even trying a robot? Python has a toolbox for all of it. It's super popular. Need help? There is probably a video, tutorial, or forum with answer. For example, let's say you want to know the most common word in the book you are reading. Python can do that in seconds. You just write a few lines of code and boom, it tells you the is the most common word that you read in the book. That is how the super popular and it's simple and it has everything Python. Which language should you start with? It's depend upon the thing that you are likes to work on, like choosing your first language. So where should you start? Easy, Python. It's like learning to ride a bike. It's fun, not too hard. And once you are good at it, you can explore other options. If you love statistics and making graphs, you probably enjoy R language. If you are into building big systems for companies, Java is your friend. And if you are science geek, give Julia a shot. Those are my recommendations for your next steps. And the best part is you don't need to fancy a computer or degree to get started. Open your lab, pick a language. Python is a great choice. And start exploring. Build something fun like a chatbot or cool graph. Who knows? You might be the next AI wizard. Let's see in next video.